Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by locating the model and serial numbers on the caseback or between the lugs. Note them down. Immediately inspect the warranty card, box, manuals, and any receipts to confirm provenance. Next, weigh the watch and compare its heft to the official specification because constructed materials give clues. A significantly light Rado is suspicious. Once these basics are done, photograph the watch from multiple angles to use for cross-checking in the next steps. Now focus on the dial and movement. Under magnification, examine the logo font, letter spacing, and printing quality because counterfeit dials often show errors. Check the crystal. Rado uses sapphire with specific anti-reflective properties, so reflections and scratch patterns matter. For the movement, do not force the case back. Have a watchmaker open it so you can confirm the caliber, finishing, and Rado markings. This is decisive. Once you have movement photos and notes, prepare to cross-reference serials and details with known authentic examples. To finish, systematically compare your photos, serials, and model references with official examples and reputable community archives. Look for matching engravings, spacing, and finishing. Request any available service history or ask Rado for authentication. An official appraisal closes the loop. If you still find inconsistencies, take the watch to an authorized service center or certified watchmaker for a hands-on inspection and a formal opinion. Troubleshooting tip. If you hit conflicting evidence, prioritize movement verification and an
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.